Hey guys, Marissa at KitchenTableStamper.com. I have got a fun new class available for you in the Kitchen Table Stamper online classroom. This is the Cute Crew Punch Box, and I've got a bonus class cooked up for you for the month of March. Now, you'll have to register for this class very simply by going to marisaalvarez.stampinup.net and order your Cute Crew Punch Box and Whisper White note cards with envelopes. All right, so those two items and your choice of celebration product, because this will earn you a free product with a host code. I'll bring that in here for you. 74NQGQHC. That host code will be available underneath the embedded video or in the details on YouTube. When you order these two products with the host code by March 11th, I am going to send you a free class. You'll use your note cards and the kit that I will mail you to create 6 adorable designs. You can do many more because you get set at 20 in your note card, so you can keep on going. But I'm going to send you 6 designs that you can use, that you can create using your Cute Crew Punch Box. Look at this, isn't this adorable? So inside your punch box, you'll receive the basic gray archival ink spot. You'll receive watercolor pencils in Early Espresso, Call Me Clover, Pumpkin Pie, and Blueberry Bushel. Now the Call Me Clover is exclusive to the punch box, which I think is kind of fun. I love adding new colors to my watercolor collection. You get this adorable 6-piece stamp set, and in just a minute I'll show you the cards that we are going to make with this set. But talk about just the cutest stamp set you ever saw. There's an acrylic block, and my favorite parts, there's the Cute Crew Punch. I love this fun tag. It's a little scallop topper with a scallop bottom, and I am going to show you 5 different ways to use this punch on the cards in the class. All right, so order your Cute Crew Punch Box, your Whisper White note cards using the host code by March 11th, and then look out the week of March 25th in the mail when you'll receive a packet for each of these projects along with an email to the online classroom. In the online classroom, you will find a video for each of the 6 cards and a project sheet for each of the 6 cards. Now the project sheets are printable. They're yours to keep for a lifetime. It includes full color photo, measurements so that you can recreate the note cards through your whole stack of note cards if you'd like. It's got step-by-step instructions for each card along with a video. All right, so here's a quick peek at the cards that you'll make. Notice that I have used the dot-to-dot embossing folder. I used the Seaside embossing folder, and I used the Climbing Vines embossing folder. So you can substitute those out or you can add them to your order. Here's a little way to go with the turtle. A little happy birthday with the fox. And I do all my little envelopes too. Thinking of you, the little birdie. Thank you with the lion. You're the best with the fish. And for you with the gummy bear. All right, guys, if you've got any questions about how to receive this bonus class, you can email me, Marissa at KitchenTableStamper.com, or just buzz on over to marisaalvarez.stampinup.net. Order your Cute Crew Punch Box and note cards, maybe some embossing folders if you need them, with the host code 74NQGQHC, and receive the kit and the online classroom automatically. Thanks for watching. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the online classroom.